How to manage app download preferences on Play Store. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to manage app download preferences on your Play Store. Easy. So first thing, go to Play Store, go to the top right here, click on your profile, click on settings, click on network preferences option, and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will have three options. Choose app download preference, and right here you can manage your download preferences easily and fast. You can choose over any network, over Wi-Fi only, or ask me every time. I recommend you to do ask me every time. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.